Hello students, in this video we will discuss managing Hadoop with Apache Ampere. So why we need this Apache Ampere tool? It is a graphical tool. Why we need this tool? Because managing Hadoop installation by hand is very tedious and time consuming process. Hadoop installation is very tedious and time consuming process. So I have this tool. Using this tool, I can do the installation and I can manage the complete Hadoop services in my cluster. So this Apache Ampere is a graphical tool which helps in installing various packages and it helps to manage the Hadoop services in my cluster. Right. So as I said, it helps in installation and it helps in managing the Hadoop services in my cluster. So using this tool, I can install the packages like HDFS, Yarn, MapReduce, Test Engine, Hive, Pig, Scoop, all these packages I can install it. At the same time, I can use this tool for managing the Hadoop services in my cluster. And this Apache Ampere has its own user interface, and if I want to open this user interface, I can use this command Firefox localhost 8080, provided if your browser is Firefox, you can use it Firefox. And this is the user interface of my Apache Ampere. As I told, it is a graphical tool. It is a graphical tool. So you can see this. This is the Ampere dashboard view of my Hadoop cluster. Dashboard view. This is dashboard view, and it has many widgets. It has many widgets. For some services, I have widgets, and the rest of the services I can see in the vertical menu. I can see the in the vertical menu, and these widgets I can edit it, I can move, I can add a widget, I can remove a widget. All these are possible with this widgets. I can edit, I can add a widget, I can remove a widget. Similarly, I can move a widget. If I want to move, just place the mouse over the widget, click, and you can drag it. And you can see here in the dashboard view, I have this admin pull down menu, right? So once you enter this, once you use this command, and when you get this user interface of your Apache Ampere, you have to log in. The default username and password to log in is admin username, admin password. So immediately you can change your password, you can change the default password. And how to change this default password? You have this admin pull down menu, right? You can click it and you can see manage Ampere option. You can see a manage Ampere option. You can click that and you can change the default password. Similarly, if you want to quit it, same admin pull down menu has an option sign out. You can sign out. And this dashboard view has many tabs. As I said, these are the widgets of the running services. And for few running services, I have these widgets, and the remaining services, it will be listed down in this menu. And if I place my mouse over the widgets, it will give some details like name node uptime is there, right? So if I keep my mouse over this widget, it will give the how many nodes are killed, how many nodes are running. It will give some details. Similarly, you can click any widget. If you click it, you will get the enlarged view. So I have a widget here, CP usage. If I click it, I'll get like this enlarged view of the CPU usage widget. Right? You can enlarge it and you can view this details. Similarly, you have this heat map tab. You have a heat map tab. Heat Heatmap tab provides graphical representation of overall cluster usage using simple color coding. I'll show you. So this is my heat map tab. So what is heat map tab? Heat map tab gives the graphical representation of overall cluster usage. Overall cluster usage in simple color coding. This colored block will represent host. Right? Each color corresponds to a host. Similarly, I have one more tab, config history. This tab will give the list of configuration changes. List of configuration changes made to my cluster. So in my dashboard view, few things we have learned. This is my dashboard view. I'll take the dashboard view. To change the password, I have to use this admin pull down menu. Similarly, for sign out also, I have to use the same admin pull down menu. And I have metrics and I have heat map tab, config history tab. And heat map tab gives the graphical representation of overall cluster usage using simple color coding. Each color code represents a cluster, and this config history will give the configuration changes made to a cluster. List of configuration changes made to a cluster. So this is my dashboard view. Next, coming to service view. When I click my service menu, I can see this service view. So like your dashboard view, the recently added services will be listed down in this left side menu. Recently added services will be listed down in this left side menu. And I have a summary tab. If I click this summary tab, I'll get the summary of my service metrics. Summary of my service metrics and alert and health checks. So if I click this summary metrics, I'll get this summary of my service metrics and alert and health checks. I'll get this alert and health checks. Similarly, you can see the next tab. Next tab is config tab. So before this, this screenshot is for HDFS service summary window, right? So in my HDFS, you know the components. It will give the details of your name node, data node, secondary name node, right? So all this details will be given in this HDFS service summary window. And here you have one more tab known as config tab. So when you click this config tab, you can see an option form, or I can say as property form. So this property form will give you the current settings of every service. Right up. Current settings, this one. Right, current settings option. Right, current settings of every service. You can't change this manually. Right, so config tab will open a form which contains the current settings of every tab. Similarly, one more tab is there, quick link. We have studied 2 units and this is our second module. Almost we are going to finish our second module. And in all these 2 modules, we have learned about many user interface. You know, HDFS has a user interface. Yarn is having a user interface. UC tool, Apache UC tool is having a user interface. So if I want to open any of these user interfaces, I can use this quick links. And next is service actions. So this service action pull down menu has some methods to start and stop your cluster services. Right, so this pull down menu has some options to start your cluster service and to stop your cluster service. So this is all about your service view, summary, config, quick links and service actions. Next, Yeah, host view. So this host view will give, when I click this host menu, I can get this host view. So this host view will give the name of the host, IP address, course, memory, disk usage, load average, components, all these details it will give you. And we can see this is the Ambari cluster host detail view. Cluster host detail view. And next is admin view. As I said, this Apache Ambari is a tool which helps in installing the various packages, and at the same time it acts as a centralized point for all my cluster services. That's how it manages the complete Hadoop services in my cluster. And this admin view has three options. Yeah, admin view has three options. These are the three options. First is it will give the list of software installed. So this you can go to repositories and you can check the version of Hadoop installed. So based upon the version, you'll get the corresponding softwares. Right. So repositories will give the list of softwares installed based upon your Hadoop version. And next is service accounts and security for your cluster. So these are the three options under your admin view. And this view, it is a framework offering a systematic way to plug in user interface capabilities. And at last your admin pull down menu. This admin pull down menu in the first dashboard view we have seen. Yeah, here admin pull down menu. I told this when you click this pull down menu, you'll have this Ambari manager to change your password, and at the same time you have one more menu, sign out. So if you want to quit, you can just click the sign out option to quit this user interface. So admin pull down menu has these options about manage Ambari, settings and sign out. So this is all about your Apache Ambari. Thank you.